It's Vickie-Marie, and I'm going to be taking you through a brief Reclined Yoga Flow stretch. So in your own time and in your own way, beginning to come onto your backs with the knees bent, soles of the feet in contact with the earth. And as you begin to arrive, just ensuring that the back of the head is comfortable, the shoulder blades, and the sit bones. I'm just going to invite you to begin to take one hand to the belly, one hand to the heart if that's comfortable. Make sure the elbows are comfortable. Chin towards the chest, long neck. And just taking a round or two of breath here. Feeling the breath between the hands. And when we're ready, we'll begin to take the fingertips to the navel. And we're going to take the feet as wide as our mat if we have one. And we're going to begin to let the knees gravitate over towards the right. Now our gaze can stay up towards the sky if the eyes are open, or maybe taking the chin over that left shoulder. If you want to take it a bit further, you may begin to invite the pinky edge of that right foot to the outside of the left knee, letting both knees go heavy. Beginning to bring the gaze back to center, soles of the feet back to the earth. And we're going to take this on the other side, so letting the left knee gravitate over to the sides. We can begin to take the gaze to the sky or maybe chin over that right shoulder. Again, if you want to take it a bit further, pinky edge of that left foot to the outside of that right knee or thigh, letting the left knee go heavy. Beginning to bring the gaze back to center, soles of the feet to the earth. And then we'll begin to toe heel the feet to hip width apart. And we're going to begin to explore a figure of four. So when you're ready, beginning to invite that right ankle or the pinky edge of the foot to that left thigh. And you might stay here. You might begin to take that left heel a little bit closer. Imagine the knee over the ankle. And maybe taking a gentle hand to that right thigh. If you want to take it a little bit further, you could begin to bring this bundle in towards the chest, taking a pretzel, hands framing or interlacing behind the thigh, or taking the fingertips to the shin. Wherever you are, you might invite a gentle movement side to side. And gently beginning to release that left foot down to the earth. And we're going to begin to come into a figure of four bridge. So I'm going to invite you to take the palms down, fingertips coming towards the heel. And we can stay here. I'll begin to press into that left foot as you lift the sit bones up. And then slowly beginning to release all the way down. And we'll begin to take that right foot back down to the earth. We're going to begin to take the knees in towards the chest. Hands on the thighs or the shins, just beginning to rock side to side or massage out the lower back. And then we'll begin to come back to stillness, releasing the soles of the feet back down to the earth. We're going to take this on the other side. So inviting that left ankle or the pinky edge of the foot, coming into your figure of four, maybe walking the heel closer, left hand gently on the thigh. And we can stay here, beginning to come into your pretzel, bring the bundle in towards the chest, framing or interlacing behind the thigh, or again on the shin. Inviting any organic movement if that feels good. Beginning to come back to your figure of four. We'll take the palms down to the earth. And we can stay here, beginning to press into that right foot, lifting the front of the body. And slowly beginning to release. We're going to detangle this left foot. We're going to begin to come in to a reclined butterfly. So beginning to toe heel the feet closer together. And then inviting the knees in opposite directions. So the hands can stay where they are. Some of us might make a fist, bringing them between the thigh and the earth. Or you might begin to take the hands to the belly, letting the elbows come away from each other. Again, feeling the breath beneath the fingers. We're here for 3 rounds of breath. With the support of the fingertips underneath the thighs, beginning to invite the soles of the feet back to the earth. And we're going to begin to come into corpse pose, Shavasana. So beginning to take the legs out, maybe as wide as the mat if you have one, letting the feet flop to the side. And then beginning to take the hands out, palms up towards the sky or down, your choice. Imagine more of a paper doll or a gingerbread shape. We're just going to have, again, 3 rounds of breath here. Now listening carefully. For some of us, we may wish to stay in this pose a little bit longer. And if that's yourself, please stay and marinate. Otherwise, we're going to begin to bend one knee and then the other. Soles of the feet to the earth. And we're going to begin to come onto a side that you favor. And with the support of a hand, pressing ourselves up to a seated position. Beginning to take the hands together at the heart, and we'll bow the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for sharing this brief reclined yoga flow with me. If you'd like to explore any of the other videos, check out the playlist in the description, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.